I'm the trader here, and this is the exact three-step process I use to get into this trade. If you understand this process, you know exactly what you're looking for in the charts and you won't overtrade anymore. Let's get into the trade breakdown. See you there. My name is Alice, and I'm a fund manager at Am the Trader Capital, where we help traders and investors grow and scale their investments by building them a proprietary system of money, risk management, and trading edge that we've used to grow our fund from 0 to 100K. We're currently on a mission to impact 1 million people through trading by 2030. Help us get there. So many people lose confidence in trading and in life because they simply don't have a plan. There's no process they're following, there's no procedures and protocols that they're abiding by. They literally are just winging it, and they wonder why they can't get consistent. They wonder why there's ups and downs in the equity curves. They literally can't figure it out. The uncertainty of not knowing exactly what you're doing, how you're doing it, why and when you're doing it in the market will cause you to fail in trading. Confidence and certainty are key if you want to be successful in trading, and it's your responsibility as the trader, as the analyst, as the fund manager. It's your responsibility to attain that confidence, not only in your model, but also in your processes. So what I want to do right now real quickly is I want to share with you the process that we teach all our analysts at Am the Trader Capital, and then we'll see that process live in action in the trade breakdown. This is the three-step trading process. Step 1, condition. This is where we determine our bias. Before we even think about entering a trade, we need to know the market program. Are we in a buy program or sell program? This is where the market shows its hand. Then we have step 2, stage. This is what sets up your trade and what does your trade look like. There are two types of trades: retracement setups and continuation setup. Then we have step 3, execution. This is how you're going to enter, manage, and close the trade. At Am the Trader Capital, we have 4 entry criteria before executing. We're not guessing, we're executing a plan. Let's get into the trade breakdown. Okay, taking open range, dealing range buy side, all right, giving us a buy program for the session here, all right, aiming for dealing range buy side here. For me to engage in a trade, it would be a retracement setup to then continue higher. I'll need to see buy side taking above this and the market structure shift back below open range, dealing range, buy side. If we take sell side market structure shift here, I'd be interested. Hence the tool. This is still the low. 2727. He gave it to me. I'm interested. It's a retracement setup. I wasn't interested in this one because I wanted to see a buy side taking above it first. Okay, so that was not the one for me. I'm okay with that. Let's see where stop should be at. So retracement setup to then potentially catch the continuation. Come back inside here. Last line in the sand will be, for me, closure above here. And then price coming back in and then closing above it. I like this. Second negative one, getting smashed. Thank you. About to adjust up in a second. stop, or we can close this and do a 1 for 1 buy stop. Goes to 2950. 2950, mate. 2950. Respecting that wick there. We don't like that. I want to see a body closure. I mean threshold. Will it be constant encroachment? It's a gap, right? Yeah, it's a gap, so it'll be constant encroachment. I like that we close below first presenter fair value gap there on the 1 minute. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Appreciate it. Solid setup there. Trade of the morning. Trade of the morning there. Trade of the day. 22250. We like those 2222. Coming back slowly. I'll draw down for today. Okay, open range buy side got taken. Right, gave us a buy program, so we were anticipating a retracement setup. Okay, that's what we were in, the retracement setup. We took buy side above that key external liquidity. Market structure shift back below the external liquidity. Okay, that was our boom boom indication to execute. We executed, and the risk was out of our hands, and it is what it is. That was the trade breakdown. Solid setup today. Let's wrap up though. Let's wrap up. We've been here long enough. Before we wrap up though, I want to leave you guys with this, alright? There was a time I would finish a trading session and still feel lost. Even on days I made money, I didn't know why it worked, and on losing days, I had no system to fall back on. That's the difference between getting and having a real edge. And here's the truth. Most traders only focus on entries, but consistency comes from the system behind the entry. So if you've been watching and thinking, this makes sense, but I don't have the full system yet, that's exactly why I created the 10% to 1% club. That's where we go deep into all 3 pillars, the full model, the risk management system, the money and mindset principles needed to join the 1% club, and the exact process to follow on a consistent daily basis, what we just walked you guys through live today, okay? So if you're serious about becoming consistent, that is your next step. You know, I used to think that the goal was to win more trades, but the real goal is to become the type of trader who can perform no matter the outcome. Because once you have that, all right, the results will follow. That's something that I'm trying to prove and, you know, walk forward live as we do these sessions, okay? That's all for today, folks. Solid NFP morning here for us here. I'm the Trader Capital. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, 9:15 kickoff. All right, 9:15 kickoff tomorrow. Still NFP week, all right, but money making Monday destroyed. Let's do it. Let's go. I'm the trader here, signing out. All right. Good luck. Good trading as always. Happy hunting. See you tomorrow.